So I'm going to get started with our nonfiction book for today. So before spring break, we were learning about nonfiction books and fiction books. And right before spring break, we read some nonfiction books about the state of Texas. So this week, since we are learning about insects, we're going to be exploring some nonfiction books that tell us some real life information, some facts about some insects. So today I chose to read to you guys a nonfiction book, and the title of this nonfiction book is called Ladybugs, World of Insects, and it is a book that was written by Martha Rustad. Right here on the inside cover, you can find the table of contents. So we can see that on page 4, it talks about what is a ladybug. On page 5, it talks about a ladybug's life. On page 13, what do ladybugs eat? On page 18, ladybugs fly. On page 22, you can find a glossary, and a glossary is a list of words, and next to the word, it tells you the definition or what the word means. And then on page 23, this author actually included a to learn more section, which tells you some information on some places where you can go to get some more facts about ladybugs. And on page 24 is the index, and it is a list of words, and it tells you on what page you can find those words on. Ladybugs are insects. They are a kind of beetle. Ladybugs hatch from eggs in spring. Baby ladybugs are called larvae. A ladybug larva is long and spiny. Here's the larva of the ladybug. Its favorite food is aphids. Aphids are pests that kill plants. And here we can see all the little tiny aphids. In real life, they're even tinier than on this picture. A larva eats and grows for 3 or 4 weeks. Then it builds a shell around its body. Its body changes inside the shell, and soon an adult ladybug hatches. So here's the ladybug as it has just hatched. Most adult ladybugs start out yellow. They do not have spots. Soon, their bodies may change color. Then many turn red or orange with spots. Ladybugs have strong jaws for chewing. They can eat up to 50 insects per day. Ladybugs use antennas to feel and to smell. Their antennas help them find aphids. All insects have 6 legs. Ladybugs have a claw on each leg. Ladybugs grab aphids with their claws. Ladybugs have 2 hard wings and 2 soft wings. They fly with their soft wings. So here's their hard wing. That's the red one. And then their soft wing is covered by their hard wing, and that's the one that they actually fly with. The hard wings cover and protect the soft wings. Ladybugs gather together in fall. They find a safe place to rest for winter. Ladybugs lay eggs in the spring. Soon, new ladybugs will hatch from the eggs. Okay, so that was the end of our book for today. And right here you can see the glossary, and it has the word antennas, the word aphid, beetle, claw, insect, jaw, larva, pests, and spiny. So you can have somebody read to you those definitions if you're not sure what one of those words means. Okay, so before I say goodbye for today, I wanted to go over something that we had been talking about in class. So we have been talking about cognates. Hemos estado hablando sobre los cognados. And cognates, just a little reminder, are words that are super similar in both English and in Spanish. So as we are learning about insects, I want you to stop and think if you have heard any words that are cognates, unas palabras que tú has escuchado que son cognados. So I have one that I discovered, and it was the word antenna y antena. So those two are similar in both languages. Also, the word plant and planta is another example. So I want you to just, it's a challenge. I want you to stop and just think for a few minutes about some of the words that you have learned this week. And I want you to make a list of those words that you find that are cognates that you discovered are the same in Spanish and English. I want you to take a picture and then have your parent help you to post it onto Class Dojo. I am really excited to see what cognates you guys discover today. I also wanted to share with you guys this picture of my cat Pookie. He is practicing his parts of the insect. So he was learning his words in Spanish. He learned antenas, cabeza, tórax, abdomen, y que los insectos tienen 6 patas. I also wanted to give a really quick shout out to all of you guys. I have been getting so much amazing work, and right now my heart feels super happy. It's bringing me a lot of joy and happiness to see all the beautiful artwork and how hard you guys are working and adding lots of detail and making sure your letters are written in the best way that you can. So you guys are doing an amazing job. Keep it up.